Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is your bonus reading. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. Also, the link of Instagram is given in the description box below, where you can find readings different from these in English as well as in Hindi. Okay, so let's get started. Sagittarians, let's see. Hangman is quite active today. Okay, I think both the cards want to come out. Well, I don't know why I was drawn to this card and I felt like taking it, so I've taken it, Sagittarians. Okay. Okay. So we are starting the reading with the Hangman. I think over here the things are stuck for you. In some way, shape or form, the things are stuck for you and you're not able to move forward. And you're waiting for something. And what I feel here is that see, what I feel here is that the things are stuck because there has been some event, there has been a dispute basically. Okay, there has been something, a fight actually, a dispute actually, in which there was a lot of emotional drama, I should say. Emotional and verbal drama. Emotional drama leading to that verbal fight basically. And the thing is that people whom you were with have left actually. You have left them, they have left you, or you all have left each other. It is something like that. Okay, maybe you won the situation also. It can be that. Maybe you have won the situation, whatever it is, but the thing is that you are alone and you are waiting for your ships to come in. You're waiting for something now. You've turned your back towards those people. You are, it is totally, so it is, it seems to be something which is permanent. What, as for now, at least in this reading, it seems that whatever this is, it's not getting sorted out in the future. At least as for now, what you feel is that it is ended forever. Whatever it was, that fight with them, you are not in a mood of reconciliation with them basically. And you are waiting for something different and something new to come your way. And here it comes. It does come in a form of a new opportunity. It is something which is either you are waiting for something stable to come in your life, and it comes giving you that stability, giving you that hope of flourishing basically. Okay, but the thing what I feel here is that maybe because of this event you feel still tied up to this, and you have a very very bad bitter experience of this situation, and this is the situation which is not letting you move forward. And you are contemplating here with the Queen of Pentacles to know what should I do. So though you are waiting for something stable to come in your life, and when it comes, you are perhaps not able to take it as easily as you would have taken if this you didn't have those bitter experiences. So you are just maybe you are not able to execute anything out of it basically, even if you have taken it, but you are not able to avail that opportunity. That's what I'm trying to say. You've got that opportunity, perhaps. I'm not saying that you've missed it, but as for now some fears are holding you back and you are not able to avail it to the maximum. Okay, that's it's something like that. You're just keeping it in your hand. You have the resources, you have that opportunity, you have everything, and you're not able to do anything about it. It's something like that. Okay, and this is because of some bad experience which holds you back. You have the fear of losing it, and that is why you're holding tight. Perhaps it can be that. Okay, you're holding tight to it because you have the fear of losing it, but you're not able to avail it fully in some way, shape, or form. Okay, but I think because you are still contemplating, you are thinking about it as to what should I do, what should I do, what should I do, and you are not making a move, just contemplating over it for a pretty long time, holding on to it, and you will be able to make a move slowly, because over here it is something, whatever this is for you, it is something which is your wish fulfillment basically. Okay, you feel very happy with it. It is not that you are not happy with it. You feel very happy with whatever you have achieved, though you are not able to capitalize it fully, or you're not able to make the maximum of it, or you're not able to avail it fully. It is something like that. Okay, but it is something which you always dreamt of, you always wanted, and it is your wish come true or a dream come true type of a thing, and you are very happy about it, and it is something new in your life also. Okay, it is new, that I've already told you, but again it is coming like that. Okay, it gives that spark in your life. It is something like that. With the King of Swords out here, what I feel is that you are guarding it. You are guarding it very tightly. You have your guards up. You are not letting anybody come near you, sort of a thing. See, you've got an opportunity, you're not able to avail it to the maximum, and you are just, that's what I said here also. You are guarding it totally, you're holding on to it, and here also you are guarding it too much, and you're not able to, you don't want anybody to come near you. You're keeping others at a distance. So here again, you're waiting. You're waiting and waiting. Here again with the Two of Wands. Again, you have everything in your hand, and you are not able to decide which way to move. The same thing which I'm getting is you're still contemplating, I should go this side, I should go that side, what should I do? You have everything in your hand, what to do? You're not able to achieve. You're not able to maximize the results of it, whatever it is. And again you are sitting there. Though you are being in touch with you are just thinking and thinking and thinking. That's what I'm getting. You are very, very passionate about whatever this is for you, and you are just holding it tight to your heart. Okay. It is something like that, whatsoever it is for you. But yes, one thing is there, that once this, your guarding and decision and whatever it is done, once you are able to make up your mind, then you start moving forward towards something with the Knight of Swords. And here we have the Page of Pentacles. So you are definitely moving towards it very fast at the end, finally. Okay, you are moving because it is very important to you, and you will take some time. I don't know how much time, but yes, you will take that time, but ultimately you will decide to gallop towards it very fast. And here we have the Nine of Diamonds, which is the Hermit card of this deck, and it talks about self-care. It talks about sacrificing without regrets. So maybe you've done something like that. Maybe there is some sort of sacrifice involved in this situation, and you need to take care of yourself perhaps, and that is what the reason is which holds you back, and you are not able to avail whatever it is. But again, with the Seven of Spades here, you will make a move, and once you decide to make a move, you will move very fast towards whatever this situation is for you. You will take the time. You are holding very tight, I think, because of the fact that You need your, it's about self care, something that you are, because it was so important for you, it was so crucial for you, perhaps you love it so much, you were so passionate about it, and now you hold it so tight, you don't want to lose it, and you just want to take care of it and take care of yourself. It's something like that. And that is why you're not able to move ahead with this, whatever it is, you're just holding tight and sitting there with it. You don't want to lose it in some way, shape or form. But once you decide to take a move, then the move will be pretty fast. Okay, so action will be taken ultimately. It's not that it won't be taken. Yes, you will take the action, you will make a move. So, in the direction positively. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarians. Hope it helps. And please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.